This video talks about what Mr. Martin Barnes, an industrialist in Dubai, says about us. For the issuance of letter of credit from European Bank, our client Mr. Martin Barnes from Dubai praised us for our on-time issuance and professional approach. Mr. Martin Barnes says,
"Great company, honest people and professional approach. They are the true and genuine L.C providers in Dubai. As promised by the team, we received the L.C from one of the best bank in Europe within 2 days. Really. We felt very happy and satisfied with their prompt service. On behalf of our company, big thanks to BWT and its team."
Mr. Martin Barnes availed letter of credit LCMT 700 from us to import Millbury copper wire scrap from India. We have assisted more than 25,000 clients with their trade finance needs for the past 30 years. If you're looking to import goods from overseas under L.C payment terms, submit your letter of credit request to us. Contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Call or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.